Welcome back, Leviathan race. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am your Pokemon World and YouTube Shorts champion. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. The Phoenix Squad has arisen once again. Boom! And today, I have featured for you hidden FATES Charizard pack artwork. Here we go. Champions Path, Cosmic Eclipse, Evolving Skies, and Chilling. We were gonna start with Chilling, move into Evolving, then Cosmic, Champions, and Hidden to close it out. You know the cards I'm looking for. If you're not sure, they are right here in the top corner. I put them there every time, so you know exactly what the champ is hunting for. I hunt for nothing but the finest. Here we go. Pack 1, Chilling. Let us get pack trash. Code card. Come on, Chilling Rain. Don't disappoint. Here we go. Evil Energy. Laron. Welcoming Lantern. Drizzile. Aeron. Routes. Venipede. Bonsolite. Blitzel. Rugged Helmet for the reverse and for the finale. 7. For the finale, 7. What do we get? Gallade. Nothing there. Reverse. The Reverse Lounge and Evolving Skies. Pack trash. Code card. Evolving Skies. Full Metal Energy. Aromalane. Moon and Sun Badge. Scroll of the Flying Dragon. Pumpkaboo. Carnivine. Glossifer, Fletchling, Scraggy, Hitmonchan for the reverse and for the finale. Pack 2. Flapple Boo, Flapple Boo. I got me in trouble last time. Freaking Flapple. Oh, Flapple, blah, 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 blah. Cosmic Eclipse. Let us get pack trash. Code card. Come on, Cosmic. Give me something good. Give me something good. Evil Energy. Great catcher. What is this? Dragon Claw. Dusclops. Woobats. Duckle. Heliotile. Cosmog. Slugma. Here we go. Clay for the reverse and for the finale. Come on. Come on. Slurpuff. I'm 0 of 3. 0 of 3. Okay. Here we go. Come on. Champions Path. Pack trash. Code card. Come on, champions. Here we go. Evil Energy. Beedrill. Hatnerin. Milo. Swablu. Scraggy. Carnivine. Zigzagoon. Galarian style. Come on. Kakuda. Come on. Come on. Fairy Hollow Energy for the finale. Ulterior Hollow. Okay. Fairy Energy. I don't have one of those in Hollow. Ulterior Hollow. Okay, we move to the main event for today. The number 1, the fan favorite, Hidden FATES. That is the card I'm chasing right there. That's the card I'm chasing. Well, the Charizard pack artwork have the Charizard. There's only one way to find out, Leviathan race. Let's do it. Code card. Here we go. Here we are. Fairy Energy. Koga's Trap, Lieutenant Surge's Strategy, Chansey, come on, come on, Clefairy, Clefairy, come on, Coughing, here we go, Voltorb, come on, Cubone, best artwork in its history, Cubone, come on, Geodude. Here we go. Charmeleon Baby Shiny. And for the finale, Jolteon. That's a pretty big pull. Charmeleon reverse holo. This joint go for like what? $20? So it's a Charmeleon, that's it. It goes for like 20 bucks. Reverse Baby Shiny. No, it's a Baby Shiny, yeah. Woo! That's pretty good to end off on. My name is Alexander Leviathan. I am your Pokemon champion. The YouTube Shorts champion. Mwah, mwah. And I hope to see you again tomorrow for more. When you return for more valor. Please send him out of here happy. Is he? I don't know if he's still on vacation. Super V, you know what to do.